Hi, guess who? It's Grandma Bev again from Life with Grandma Bev. And this won't be a very long one because this is one that I didn't expect to get at all. And it's just all typical of things, how things have been going with customer service and things with people. I received a PurplLux Beauty Club fragrance thing. Now, I canceled this when we still were in Yuma down in the early, February I canceled it, whenever it was. Now all of a sudden one comes. Go figure. So, this is content. Might as well open it. Well, my knife doesn't want to work. Let's see. Try the scissors. And they probably, if I call them out, they'll usually just, oh, we're way behind on everything because of the virus. We can't get enough people to work because of the virus. Okay, blame it all on the virus. Okay, this one's supposed to be a La Petite Robe Noire, Noire, Eau de Parfum Spray. Now, remember I was getting these because I was trying to find a scent that I liked to bring on our trip, because I like to bring on different trips, a different scent each trip. And then whenever I smell that scent, it brings back memories in my little brain of that trip. Fun times. So I finally ended up sending them all, because I hadn't really found one, sending them all to Kimmy from Kimmy's Boxes, because she loves perfumes. So Kimmy, you might get this. We'll see. Otherwise, I've been using some of those oils that you can get. I had gotten some at Ulta a few months ago, and I kind of like them. Let's see. Remind me of how this works. Okay. They say not to go like that because it ruins the chemicals or something. Not bad. I'll see if the person up in the front room, Mr. Smarty Pants, notices it. He's been on the phone for the last 45 minutes because he... we won't get into it. Let's just say he's messed up my sign-in for my checking account because he's so darn smart. You know, you're supposed to be able to, if you get a check, you can put it through your app on your phone. And it was a stupid little $19 check. And he had gotten another check for some deal with his dad when he died. And he says, well, I'll just do it online. Because he has a whole separate account for that money. So I said, well, gee, why? He says, I've got them all on my phone, all the apps for mine. They work fine for me. Because I tell him whenever I try it, it doesn't work. And I finally give up. So I was recording another video. And I'm done. He goes, thank God you're done. Now they've locked us out of the account because I had the wrong number. You must have changed it. Just give me up. So then he got on the phone. They'd been on hold for a long time. And they asked what the account number was. And he asked me, who was sitting on the chair waiting for my phone back. I don't know. I don't have it memorized anymore. I don't, I never have to use the account number. So he says, I'll have to call you back. Dumbass. So then he gets back on the phone, and he was on for over a half hour waiting for the call to go through. And it's my phone he's on, and I want to make some more videos. But I didn't say anything. I did call Mr. Smarty Pants. So finally he gives me my phone back. It's back on, get back in the line of... And he's still on the phone with the person. Of course, my fault. I must have changed the number, didn't tell him. The passcode. Well, you never get into that account. Anyway, one of the trials of being married to a very smart man. Keep telling him, you know, anything dealing with me and electronics is not going to work. It's just how it is. I've accepted it. Anyway, what we'll do was before I just had to vent. I had to vent to somebody. So anyway, so far smells good. I'm not sure if it's one I want to take on a trip, but well, let's see. We'll see if Mr. Smart Alec likes it. Hi, Lucy. You came down here too. Otherwise, comment. And I apologize for my use of foul language. But I'm human too. We invented that word, my generation. No, no, I'm kidding. Share, like, subscribe. Keep your eyes open for my 700 giveaway if I get those last 5 people. I love you all. Bye.